Kangaroo Life Basic. Kangaroos are fascinating marsupials native to Australia. They have unique life cycles and behaviors that set them apart from many other animals. Here are some basic aspects of kangaroo life. Habitat: kangaroos are primarily found in Australia and they inhabit a wide range of environments, including grasslands, woodlands, and deserts. They are well adapted to the harsh and arid conditions of the Australian continent. Social structure: kangaroos are often social animals and can be found in groups called mobs. These groups can vary in size and composition, and they provide protection and social interaction for the kangaroos within them. Reproduction: kangaroos are marsupials, which means they give birth to relatively undeveloped young and carry them in a pouch. Female kangaroos have a forward-facing pouch in which they can nurse and protect their offspring, known as joeys. Lifespan: the lifespan of kangaroos can vary depending on the species. Red kangaroos, for example, may live up to 6-8 years in the wild. While some smaller species may have shorter lifespans. In captivity, they can live longer. Diet: kangaroos are herbivores, and their diet primarily consists of grasses, shrubs, and other vegetation. They are adapted to a diet that is high in fiber and low in energy. Which allows them to thrive in their arid environments. Locomotion: kangaroos are known for their powerful hind legs, which they use for hopping. They are one of the few animals that move by hopping, and they can cover long distances with great speed and efficiency. Predators. Kangaroos face threats from various predators, including dingoes, eagles, and large reptiles. Their speed and agility help them escape many potential threats. Conservation. Some kangaroo species, such as the red kangaroo, are abundant and not considered endangered. However, others, like the tree kangaroo, are at risk due to habitat destruction and hunting. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these unique marsupials. Cultural significance. Kangaroos hold cultural significance in Australia and are a symbol of the country. They are often featured on the Australian coat of arms and are recognized worldwide as a symbol of the continent. These are just some of the basics of kangaroo life. Please subscribe our channel.